Welcome to Triple Tier Reviews. Today, we're diving into countertop microwaves, exploring options across 3 pricing tiers to help you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Our pricing tiers for this review are Basic for $100 or less, Better from $100 to $200, and Best over $200. Our basic recommendation is the Magic Chef 900W White Countertop Microwave Oven. Priced at approximately $85, this compact microwave is ideal for small kitchens or dorm rooms. It offers 900 watts of power, making it suitable for reheating meals and cooking simple dishes. For the better tier, we recommend the Toshiba EM131, a 5 CSS countertop microwave oven, priced around $125. This microwave boasts 1,100 watts of power and a 1.2 cubic foot capacity, making it versatile for various cooking tasks. Some users have mentioned that the stainless steel exterior is prone to fingerprints, requiring frequent cleaning to maintain its sleek appearance. Our best recommendation is the Panasonic NNSN 686S stainless steel countertop with inverter technology, priced at approximately $200. This high-end microwave offers 1,200 watts of power and a 1.2 cubic foot capacity, suitable for larger families and more extensive cooking needs. Its inverter technology provides consistent, even cooking without overcooking. However, some users have reported that the advanced features can be overwhelming initially, but are worth the extra effort. That wraps up our triple tier review for countertop microwaves. Whether you're seeking basic reliability, enhanced performance, or top-of-the-line features, there's a microwave to suit your needs. To learn more about these and other models and find the latest prices, be sure to check out our links below. Let us know in the comments which microwave you picked. And be sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected for more insightful reviews of basic, better, and best products right here on the Triple Tier Reviews channel.